Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can run ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, and other models locally on your PC without any internet connection. Yes, you will be able to chat with AI models offline and get help with anything, whether it's coding or general knowledge, all without needing Wi-Fi. I have already made a video on this topic before, but that method was different. In today's video, I'm going to show you a completely new and improved way to do it. You can also check out the previous video. The link is in the button above and in the description below. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Type gptforall.io and press the Enter key. Here you can see that it says your private and local AI chatbot at the top. Right below that, you will also see no internet required written. Now download it according to your OS. This is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. After downloading, go to the Downloads folder. Right-click on the setup file and select Run as administrative. A window will open saying Welcome to GPT-4all setup. Click on Next. Select the installation path and click on the Next button. Click on the Next button again. Now check the I accept the license option and click Next. Click on the Next button again. Then click on Install. Now wait while it is installing. The time it takes depends on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, click on the Finish button. Now press the Windows plus S keys to open search box. Search for GPT-4all. From here, you can also pin it to the taskbar and Start menu. Now open it. Here you will find some options like Start Chatting, Local Docs, and Find Models. First, click on Start Chatting. And here, since we have not installed any model yet, it says Install a model. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, a list of many models will appear in front of you. And you will also be able to see their file size, RAM requirement, parameters, quant, and type. If you want to use ChatGPT, you will need to go to Remote Providers. And here you will find AI models like ChatGPT, Grok, and Mistral, but to use them, you will need their API. So if you have their API keys, you can download and use them as well. Along with that, you can also install AI models from Hugging Face here. But in GPT-4all, you will find many AI models that you can install and use. Here you will find many AI models that you can install on your PC. If any AI model is not supported by your PC, you will see a warning below its download button. So now, whichever AI model you want to download, just click on the download button given next to it. And it will start downloading. The time it takes depends on which AI model you are installing and your internet speed. After the downloading is complete, you will see a Remove button. If you want to delete any AI model, click on the Remove button next to it. Now go to the Chats tab and click on the Load button, and your AI model will be loaded. If you have downloaded more than one AI model, you can also switch between them. Now type any message. Along with that, you can also attach a file here. Now press the Enter key to send the message. And you can see that it has started responding to us. Now even if your PC is not connected to the internet, you can still chat with it. Along with that, you can also regenerate and copy the response here. Now let's ask it a question. And here you can see it is thinking, just like in DeepSeek and other AI models. And here you can see that after 23 seconds of thinking, it has given us the answer. Here you will find many options, like if you want to hide the chats, you can do that using this button. Along with that, you can also rename the chats, and you can delete them too. If you want to change its font size or theme, go to Settings. And here you can change the theme, adjust the font size, and find many other settings as well. And in the Models tab, you will find all the AI models you have installed. You can also remove them from there. This way, you can install AI models on your PC and chat with them. Whether it's coding or any other question, you can ask, and it will answer you even without internet.